Welcome to this lesson on relations in algebra. Today, we are going to explore the fundamental concept of how numbers relate to one another through sets of ordered pairs. Whether you are graphing lines or analyzing data, understanding relations is the first step. So, what exactly is a relation? In mathematics, the definition is actually quite simple. A relation is just a set of ordered pairs. That is it. It is a way to group pairs of numbers together to show a relationship between them. Let's look closer at the building block of a relation, the ordered pair. We write this as x, y inside parentheses. The order is crucial here. The first number, x, represents our input, and the second number, y, represents our output. When we have a whole set of these pairs, we can group the x and y values separately. The set of all input values, or x values, is called the domain. The set of all output values, or y values, is called the range. Think of the domain as what goes in and the range as what comes out. We can visualize relations in a few ways. First, here is a mapping diagram. We list the domain on the left and the range on the right. Then, we draw arrows to show which input connects to which output. It is a great way to see the connections clearly. Another common way to show a relation is using a table. Here, we organize the data into columns. The left column holds all the x values, and the right column holds the y values. Each row corresponds to one ordered pair. We can also plot relations on a coordinate plane. Each ordered pair becomes a point on the graph. The x value tells us how far left or right to go, and the y value tells us how far up or down to go. Let's try a quick example. Here is a relation with 3 points, 2, 5, 4, 10, and 6, 15. To find the domain, we just list the first numbers, 2, 4, and 6. For the range, we list the second numbers, 5, 10, and 15. Relations are everywhere in the real world. Imagine a menu at a store. The input is the item, like a burger or fries, and the output is the price. This set of item and price pairs forms a relation. Notice that different inputs, like fries and a cone, can have the same output price. You might hear the word function often. It is important to know that while every function is a relation, not every relation is a function. A function is a special, strict type of relation where every input has exactly one output. Normal relations are more relaxed and allow inputs to have multiple outputs. To wrap up, remember that a relation is simply a set of ordered pairs. The domain is your set of inputs, and the range is your set of outputs. You can represent them using sets, tables, graphs, or mapping diagrams. Understanding this foundation will help you master functions in algebra.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.